Hey everyone, welcome to the freshest corner of the internet. I'm Sarah and I'm super excited to introduce you to Fierce Fruit. I want to tell you about our 100% real fruit purees and how easy it is to purchase industrial quantities online. Imagine the juiciest, most flavorful real fruit you've ever tasted. Well, that's exactly what Fierce Fruit has to offer. Our mission is to make real fruit available in industrial quantities for manufacturing. We have over 30 fruit varieties. This means more fruit varieties for you to innovate and more of your customers delighted with products that use real fruit. Our fruits are non-GMO, certified kosher, and versatile for ice cream, brewing, baking, sauces, and so much more. We make it easy to use real fruit in your recipes. No more manual peeling, pitting, slicing, and blending. We've already done that for you. Not only that, but our purees have long shelf life and they can be stored at room temperature below 77 degrees. This means you can order in bulk without crowding your cold storage. And best of all, our fruit purees are ready to use. No need to spend hours defrosting, just open the valve and pour. Our fruits are pressed at the peak of ripeness. They are pasteurized and sealed in our high barrier aseptic packaging. We have 4 sizes that are perfect for any manufacturer. 4.4 pounds, 11 pounds, 44 pounds aseptic, bag-in-box, and aseptic drums of 440 pounds. Ordering online is super easy. On our website, fiercefruit.com, you can shop by fruit, size, or flavor profile. Just select the fruits, sizes, and quantities. Shipping via courier or freight truck is automatically calculated from our nearest warehouse. You can buy one box or multiple pallets. It's that easy. We ship out in 1 to 3 business days, so you can get your fruits fast. With Fierce Fruit, you can use 100% real fruit in your recipes. Whether you're making fruited sours, strawberry ice cream, pineapple barbecue sauce, mango gummies, or any fruited product, we make it easy to incorporate Mother Nature's incredible flavors to delight your customers. Browse our 30+ fruits now or join our wholesale program and receive instant savings. Get your Fierce Fruit now!